Hi everyone, this is Jill Cornelius, Creative Partner 247096, and today I want to share with you the December Kiwi Club Kit for 2021. It arrived to me already opened, but luckily the contents were still in the box. Okay, this kit is called Joy to the World, and yes, it's Christmas themed. Let's open it up. Sorry for any glare that comes through the window. I tried to make it as dark as possible in here. Sometimes it doesn't work. So as you can see in this kit, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different templates. The border set, I'm counting them separately. Kiwi has a QR code that you can go and you can look at the kit and visit their website. So let's look at the paper first. I like to change it up a little bit. This way you can get my initial reaction too when I share these kits. And to note, usually I'm a side B person for paper. So with that said, let's see what side B says. It's a pretty blue. That's pretty. I like that one. The first side has lanterns and a candle with like a wreath around it, different wreaths. Very cute. Plaid, Christmas plaid. I love plaid. My husband even knows I like plaid. Used to wear plaid all the time. That's very pretty for Christmas. And a very neutral tone on the other side. This is like a garland themed paper. Swags with berries and leaves. Side B, another blue. I like both sides. Ornaments, different ornaments. Side B, it's a greenish color. I like that too. This is pretty. Merry Christmas paper. Feliz Navidad. Bon Nadal. Different sayings of ways to say Merry Christmas in different languages. Very pretty. I'm learning Spanish, so I've got to try it sooner or later. And the other side, it's like intertwined. Very pretty. Oh, I like this paper. Poinsettias and cardinals. Very pretty. Very pretty. Side B. I like side A. With this one, you get 2 of these. So this is side A, and this is side B. Very neutral colors, and they go well together. You could use those for matting photos. And then we have 2 more. These are the same also. So you get one side A, side B. And then 2 more sheets. Oh, double sheets. Cool. So you get side A, side B. It's very pretty. Okay, let's look at the templates, shall we? Here's the QR code that you can go look up things on Kiwi for their website. Sorry, I don't have my handy dandy scissors nearby, otherwise I just cut it open. And okay, so let's get a sheet of paper over here so you can see these, because the white looks very, it mixes in with the background of my mat. This is the second template in the set. This is called Piece 2 of 6. So there are 6 templates in this set. Cardinal. You can also use it for other types of birds too. Just change the colors. This is a poinsettia. The circles on the inside, the fillings, you could actually just punch circles and put it out on there, or I've used those little gold balls from Hobby Lobby, and I've used those on the inside of poinsettias. This is the lantern. This is number 4 of 6. You could put the bird and the lantern if you want, or a bird. It could be a bird cage. That'd be cute. These are the borders. 6 of 6 and 5 of 6. So you can do them like that. Top of the page, bottom of the page. And then we have, where is it? Have I lost a template already? I just opened the package. No, that's not it. Okay, so I have misplaced a template. No, it's not. It's still in the bag. It's the candle. The candle. Sorry, guys. The candle. This is number 1 of 6. And Kiwi Lane now has the numbers on the different templates, so you know how many are in a set. So if you lose one like I just did, you know that there's one missing and you go and hunt it down. So that would be really cool, doing the candle in the different colors. Gold, yellow, and a red candle. So the size of the candle is approximately 2 5/8 by 1 1/4. The templates, the borders are 12-inch templates. The lantern, 4 5/8 again, by 3 1/2. The bird, just over 2 1/4. And I'm doing it from widest. So it looks like the beak to the tail is 3 inches, or just under 3 inches. The poinsettia. Poinsettia is just, 4 5/8 by just over 4. So those are the templates and the papers. Let's set those aside and look at the cards. Christmas cards, not those kind of Christmas cards, but you could use them for that if you'd like to. So let's open these up. I'm going to read them out and show you side A and side B. A December to Remember. Side B. Ooh, that's a pretty black paper. They should do paper in that color. I like that. Believe in the magic of the season. You could put that framed with a picture of Santa. Very cute. Red. Shalom. Blue on the other side. Silent Night. Oh, Come Let Us Adore Him. You could use this and do a snap frame with the card and the nativity set. That would look really cute. And no, I don't have plans to post that. That was just an idea off my head. Joyful Mary Believe. Very cute. Here's a funny one. Nuts About You. Christmas Family Time You. So you would, or you could, you can use it all together if you want to, but you could cut these all apart and use those throughout your page. And just use that section also on your page. 'Tis the season to be cozy. So if you're doing like family pajamas, I have some friends who do family pajamas every year for Christmas. They could take a family picture in their new pajamas and they could use this as the title. It's the most wonderful time of the year. That could be a family picture journaling spot also. Not journaling spot, but a sentiment to page title put up with your picture. I don't really take very many pictures at Christmas because my daughter's grown. My mom lives out of state. My husband's family lives overseas, and it's just he and I. So I really don't know what I would take pictures of other than my cats and Santa hats. In just a few hours, the clock will chime midnight, a time of magic and dreams. You could do that with a picture of the fireplace with stockings hung by. Maybe I will take pictures. Go get some stockings. And the final one is Joy to the World. And you could use a Kiwi Lean template for this. And make a card or a banner for a page. So that is the Joy to the World Kiwi Club Kit for December 2021. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you follow me. Down below, I will have a link to the Kiwi Club. I will have a link to my website and a link to my Facebook page so that you can come and join me on my Kiwi adventure. I hope you've had a great time and hope you have a great day. Merry Christmas!